Fig Newtons. They call them fruit bakes. But it's something like a fig Newton. Put it back in the bag, man.
Oh,
You know something else.
this is expired.
I'll keep the Ziploc bag.
It expired on May 6th, 2026.
This is May.
What's the worst that could happen?
So what? It's not that old yet.
What the worst that could happen? I'm not gonna die.
Nope. It's wrapped up. It ain't open. It's sealed.
Oh my god, there's a strawberry shortcake!
Nom 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 nom.
Hey, hold on. That actually tastes like strawberry. The next snack we're gonna get is a gummy nummy surprise. And it expired in April 15, 2026. I mean, I'm already dead inside, so let's go ahead and... So here's the egg. Choking hatches smart parts. What is there, like a fucking toy in here? How? Do you guys know that I said, what is there gonna be, a fucking toy in here? There's literally a fucking toy. And it doesn't help the fact that the fucking candy is expired. I got the crocodile. Oh, put the thing in there.
David, shut up. Nobody wants to hear you say.
Part of the crocodile's body. Okay. So I got a crocodile. I have a baby crocodile now. That's great. That's great. Overall, I give the candy a 0 out of 10. It was good, don't get me wrong. But why would you make it so hard to eat it off the fucking plastic egg? What the fuck? Freaking nutty buddy. Are you expired too? I'm gonna end this video before I freaking die.